Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. Have your forecast for today and the next several days, taking us right on through this whole week of August. And we only have 3 weeks left in August before we get to Labor Day. So far, August coming up with a mean temperature departure plus 2.7, so above average once again. But looks like I think we're going to be probably above average in terms of number of 90-degree days this year as well. We're sitting at a dozen days over 90 so far, which is it's half of what we had of all of last year. So we got a ways to go yet. But I think right now I'm guessing we're going to have about 4, possibly 5 more days, which it could hit 90 in Boston. That would bring us just a little bit above the average, which is 14. So right now I'm thinking maybe 16 days for this year. That's the way it seems to be shaping up. And we're looking at the dew points, which are shaping up great. It feels so fine out there, so lovely, so refreshing, so crisp and nice, and that's the way it's going to be all day long today. 49 for the dew point this afternoon, maybe ticking up a little bit tomorrow, then really jumping up quite a bit on Tuesday, so it's going to be a downright sticky Tuesday afternoon, bordering on oppressive, then decreasing humidity the rest of the week, but not really getting back to the dry levels, the really super dry levels that we have right now. And that'll support temperatures going up around 83 for a high in most spots this afternoon, give or take a degree or two. With all the sunshine which will be around, it'll be quite prevalent, and just a few clouds. The real heat is in the central and southern plains, where many spots here will be exceeding 100 degrees, and heat advisories and heat watches going on out there as it feels more like 105 or more degrees in some of those states, but not for us. In fact, the dryer is shoved all the way down in the mid-Atlantic states. They're getting some relief down there after having weeks and weeks and weeks of the same old weather. They haven't been getting any kind of breaks like we have, but they've got it this weekend, so they really are enjoying it. System coming down across Maine. Most of the cloudiness up there will stay there, and we'll see a few showers in far down east Maine and northeastern Maine, but for us, no rain around most of the rest of New England as some patches of clouds go by during the afternoon. Should be just fine. Should be a great day for the beach as the tide is on its way out. It will be low at 3 o'clock, and then it starts back in, and it'll be high around 9:30 this evening. Water temperatures at east coastal beaches have dropped over the last few days because the westerly wind has blown some of the warmer surface water out to sea, and some of the colder water from underneath, it's called upwelling, comes up, cools some of the beaches off. It's not terribly cold, it's just cooler than it has been, especially when it was so warm back in July. Nice day at Fenway Park this afternoon, with the weather being great, cooperative with sunshine, almost up to 80 as they start the game at first pitch around 1 o'clock this afternoon. And we're looking at the Cape and the Islands having beautiful weather today and tomorrow, and that applies for the Lakes region and mountains, beautiful weather both today and tomorrow. Although tomorrow it'll cloud over in the afternoon, and there's a chance of a couple of showers or storms late in the day, but up there today it's just beautiful. Lows tonight, upper 50s and lower 60s. Many of the suburbs, and that's probably a good 8 to almost 10 degrees higher than it was this morning. Mid to upper 60s around Boston. And tomorrow is going to be the hottest day of the week, getting up around 87 to 88 degrees. There could be an isolated spot which nudges 90. It'll be cooler at south-facing coastal locations with a southwest breeze. So no rain tomorrow, but it looks like tomorrow night some scattered showers across northern New England. Then we get a system coming from Ohio across Pennsylvania, across southern New England on Tuesday, and that'll trigger a period of showers and maybe some thunderstorms mixed in. That'll move out, so Wednesday there won't be much going on. But there's another hangback system back in here, and that may actually be steered northeastward by the steering currents, and may bring some more showers back into the area sometime on Thursday. So putting it all together in 7 days, there you have it. Looks like most of the rain, the rainiest weather will be Tuesday, and then a break on Wednesday. Some showers may happen on Thursday, okay Friday and Saturday. And we may turn hot next week, but not this week. That's the forecast for now. Have a nice day.